Hey there, babe. It's always exciting with you on board. Just thinking about your voice and presence drives me crazy. How about we spice things up a bit? Have you ever thought about trying some naughty role play? I'm sure it could heat things up and would certainly remove that boredom. Or I could describe to you in detail the tantalizing things I'd do if we were together right now. Tell me, babe, do you trust your imagination enough to let it run wild with me? Babe, your words are like candy to my ears. I can't resist the temptation, the sweet, tasty notion of your desires. Oh, how intimately our bodies yearn to dance together, tangled in the raw rhythm of passion. Tonight, the moon will bear witness to our love as you unlock the hidden depths of my desire. Babe, I've been thinking about you all day. The anticipation of what we're about to do is making me hot and heavy. Can you feel the pull between us, sweetheart? That intense desire that's making my heart race and my body tingle all over. My fantasies have been wild, and you're the only one capable of taming them. Are you as excited as I am, love? Your touch is the only thing that can put out this raging fire inside me. Don't keep me waiting, darling.